You wanna open your gift? That's from Mommy, Daddy, and Bella.
Go, Spencer, go! Really?
Uh-huh.
Seriously?
I really wanted the scooter.
Really? Is this the one?
Yeah. See, Dad. Oh, it's a
Are you sure?
Yeah.
This is what you wanted, huh?
Hey, Dad, let me.
Why do you want it so bad? What does it do? What is it?
First you go on these things, and then you move yourself, and then it moves.
Really?
That's how it works.
And do you like it? Because it wobbles and stuff?
Yeah. But I don't
let's open it the right
because
way.
I'm scared.
You don't ride it because you're scared? Okay, well you don't have to ride anything that you're scared of.
That's what a vehicle is.
Oh wow, this is big. Oh man. Oh.
This is the biggest scooter.
Whoa, this is like real heavy. Whoa.
Oh.
This is brand new. What are you going to do so it stays in good condition?
We have to build it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Really? Oh my gosh. Look at the handle.
Oh no, the wheel.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, Spencer. Happy
Whoa.
birthday.
Thank you.
I love you.
Heavy duty.
We all love you so much.
Oh. What are these, brakes or something?
I don't know.